Area under simple curve. Let's consider an example. Find the area enclosed by the ellipse x square over a square plus y square over b square is equal to 1. So as you can see, it is given that this is the equation of the ellipse. In order to find the area enclosed by the ellipse, what I would like to do, I would like to graph this ellipse. So this is my x-axis, this is my y-axis, and this is my ellipse. As you can see, the ellipse is intersecting the x-axis at point a, 0. Let's consider a strip. So this is my strip, and let's suppose that thickness of this strip is dx. So from here to here the length is y. What I would like to do, I would like to find the area of this part of the ellipse, and as you can see, if I multiply this part by 4, I can find the area of entire ellipse. Let's simplify the equation of the ellipse in terms of y. In order to do that, I need to take x square over a square to the other side, and if I do that, my equation will be y square over b square is equal to a square minus x square over a square. If I further simplify, I will get y is equal to plus minus b over a square root of a square minus x square. Now let's find the area of the ellipse. So technically the area of the ellipse is 4 times the area of the first quadrant of the ellipse. So the required area is a is equal to 4 integration from 0 to a y dx. So technically this is the origin, and we are moving from origin to this point, and at origin the value of x and y is 0, 0, and at this point the value of x and y is a, 0. So technically a is increasing from 0 to a. So our lower limit is 0 and our upper limit is a. So now let's substitute the value of y from here to here, and if we do that, our expression will be this one. As you can see, b over a is a constant, so we need to take that thing outside the integral, and if we do that, our integral will be a is equal to 4b over a integration from 0 to a is square root of a square minus x square dx. Now let's use the formula, and if we use the formula, our integral will be this one. So my limits are 0 and a, so these are my limits, 0 and a. Now it's time for us to substitute the upper limit and then the lower limit. So let's substitute the upper limit over here, and if we do that, our expression will be a is equal to 4b over a. Inside the bracket I have a over 2 square root of a square minus x square, which is here, plus a square over 2 sine inverse a over a minus 0. The reason why the value of the function at the lower limit is 0, because when you plug in 0 over here, everything is 0. If we further simplify, we will get this part is 0 and only this part is left. So I will write 4b over a, which is here, times a square over 2, which is over here, and then sine inverse a over a is 1, so sine inverse 1 is pi over 2, which is over here. If we simplify, we will get pi ABC, and this is the area of ellipse x square over a square plus y square over b square is equal to 1.